Kelly, and today I'm gonna do a Shopee sportswear try on haul, and these are all from Moving Peach, and this is actually a pretty cool brand. I've seen a lot of people raving about their items on Shopee and also on like YouTube or other social media like Instagram. TikTok not so much, but anyways, today I want to do like my review and also a try on haul for you guys, so let's get started. Anyways, if you guys see any difference with my eyelashes, they are magnetic eyelashes from Amlan, and right now we have a Black Friday sale, and also it will be extended to 12th of December. And if you guys are interested, I'll link it down below in the description box. You guys can go to kelkeltan.com to get it. Today I'm wearing Popular Style, and it's a little bit more voluminous, and I really like this. So I bought these two separately, that's why there's a little bit of a color difference. I guess if you guys are not too picky or particular, I think you can still style it as a set. I think it looks pretty cute. This is a little bit more revealing. I was thinking I wouldn't be even wearing this out. I feel like this is more like a swimsuit kind of thing already. I bought these two separately, though that's why the color is a little bit different. This one, it's more V-cut, so that's why there's more like cleavage coming through. Anyway, it's a little bit more tight, so that's why, like, you know, it's very revealing. And for the bottoms, it's this short pants, which I thought it would be longer, but anyways, this is very short, and I don't think I'll be even wearing this out, but yeah, so it looks like that. Okay, so this is the next set. I bought them individually too. The color difference in the blue is quite big, so if you guys don't want to match it as a set, it's fine. You can wear it as, you know, individuals, or you can even match it with other colors. I just like to have the same kind of tone because it looks more cohesive. Yeah, I think this looks really chill, really nice, and I love this shade of blue. The top is a more dusty blue, and if you can see the cutting, I think it's quite flattering, especially if you have armpit fats, or I mean, it's more covered, and you know, if you don't want to show any cleavage, I think this one is perfectly great for you. I feel like if you were to wear it to yoga, or even like wearing these leggings at home, I think it's amazing. The gym, running, HIIT or spin class, it might be a little bit too loose or too flexible, and it's not compact enough. So that's my take on this pants. Overall, I really like the fit, so give it like a 8 upon 10. Although we have to say that the quality of this, right, it feels like Hydra, and the price point is actually a lot lesser. I bought this, I think this pair is only 20-ish. It fits like a glove. I really like it. Super cute. Okay, so we have the next set. So both of these are from the previous styles, and I really like the fit of this. It is very comfortable. The shade is so cute. This shade of pink is super peachy, and I just love the cutting of this. It actually like complements my body type. And this pants is the same as the previous style, just that it is in a darker gray kind of shade, and yeah, I think it's like a carbon shade. I think it's really cute. So this is the last set. This is a black set, and I really like it. It's a lot more dressier as compared to normal activewear, and I got this two individually as well. They are not within a set collection, so you guys can go pick that out and select it on its own. This pants, it has like a crisscross kind of waistline, which is really cute, but it's not as comfortable as the previous two pants that I mentioned. And this is more like a cloth kind of texture. It's not the ones that is super elastic, so I don't really enjoy this kind of cloth. However, it has like two pockets here, which is very convenient. And then this bra top, I really like it. However, the quality is also not as good. It's not the bikini kind of swimsuit material, it's more cloth. So I feel that if I get sweaty or anything, this one will be drenched in my sweat. Hello guys, I want to do a roundup for Moving Peach items. I really quite like the past two stretchy pants, but the other products are a little bit off. I would say the sizing, it's not the normal M size that I usually wear. It's a little bit tighter, and I think it's because it's manufactured in a Chinese factory, so sizes will tend to be a little bit smaller. They run smaller, and other than that, I think with, you know, the price point, it's very affordable. If you want some like affordable and mid-range quality activewear, I think you can try Moving Peach, and it's on Shopee right now. This is not sponsored, but it would be good if it's sponsored. Been loving activewear, you know, for a while now. If you guys are interested, you guys can watch the Kaidra activewear haul here. I will just link it below on top. Overall, I think it's worth the money. If you want something more fancy, if you want a different range of activewear, if you're not picky, if you're not particular with the quality, I think you guys can just buy this brand online and just enjoy and just take cute pictures. Send me if you guys have any pictures of yourself wearing Moving Peach or any recommendation I gave you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.